Have you ever sat down in a chair and wondered to yourself, man, what have I been doing this whole time? Because that is exactly how I felt when I first sat in this chair. This chair is the best chair I have ever sat in my life. Now then again, granted, I haven't been alive for that long, but still, this chair. Now, I'm sure some of you are familiar with the concept of ergonomic sitting, but it's not just a concept, it's actually a whole science. So essentially, it's a 4-step process. First of all, you want to adjust the lumbar support. The result of this is going to have a snug lower back contact with zero gaps, providing maximum comfort and reducing pain over the long run. Step 2, you want to adjust the armrest. The result of this is that shoulders are going to be relaxed and arms are going to be hanging naturally, not creating any stress on the shoulders. Step number 3, adjust seat height. This is really important considering how you're going to be sitting at your desk, depending if you have a standing desk or not. Now, a good indicator for this is you usually want to have your forearms leveled with the desk. And lastly, step 4, you want to adjust the neck rest. Now, this is super important. A lot of chairs don't even have a neck rest, let alone an adjustable neck rest. Now, obviously, the beautiful thing about this chair is that you're getting all these benefits. You can adjust the neck to support and fit the neck with no gaps, essentially creating the ultimate maximum comfort. Now, the main issue with traditional ergonomic chairs is that they're built for static positions, right? So they expect you to sit still to stay supported, but that's not exactly how we work as humans. The great thing about the Omni dynamic ergonomic chair is the moment you reach and even adjust your position slightly, your body starts working to support where the chair isn't. You need a chair that understands how you move and moves with you to support every part of your body. Some notable differences from the Omni chair compared to other chairs on the market. This is the flex fit backrest. So this is exactly the design that I was mentioning earlier, kind of that exoskeleton. It really takes the shape of your body. So whether you have a more straight spine or you have more of a curvature in your spine, this is going to go ahead and adjust and mold to your shape, giving you maximum comfort, making it feel like the chair was actually crafted for you. Now, in combination with that, it also has one of the most comfortable seats I have ever experienced in my life. It's super well distributed and it is extremely soft. It basically feels like a cloud. A lot of chairs have a really hard, rigid bases. This one has a super comfortable cushion that's going to reduce strain on your lower end. Now, due to its smart and well-crafted design, it actually supports dynamic movements and follows your posture with every move. A lot of chairs struggle with this. They really have kind of like a static 1-2 position system, but the Omni chair really adjusts to you on the go as you move on the chair. So maybe if you lean back a little bit, come forward, whatever the case is, it will adjust and kind of follow the shape, making sure that you are at optimal position with optimal comfort. Now, here's one thing that I typically have a problem with that this chair absolutely solves for me. I have a lot of disc pressure with normal chairs. This is the lower part, actually at the very bottom of your back, which is pretty much connecting with your derriere. So this is something that actually changes my life with the Omni chair. It has dynamic lumbar support that reduces disc pressure for a healthier sitting, which has been an absolute game changer for me. I sit for a long period of time when I edit my videos, and I can actually vouch for this. I've seen improvements in not only my posture and my physical levels of pain, which have reduced a lot, but it's also improved my posture when I'm off the chair. Now, if you thought that was great, here comes something even better. It has a dedicated wireless battery pack that you insert also on the left side of the chair, allowing you to use massage features for your lumbar back. Now, this is something honestly super next level. For me, this is perfect. Not only did I mention that I have a sensitive lumbar because I sit for long periods of time, so I need something that's going to support me, and this chair does that and it adjusts on the fly. This is the Omni Stretch Massage feature. It actually provides a decompression in your lumbar, creating a relaxing feature for your lumbar. That's really good. I typically use it after sitting for a longer period of time. It's essentially kind of like if I was taking a break, kind of moving my lumbar back and forth. Like the majority of chairs, it has recline modes, but obviously it improves on that a lot. It has up to 4 recline modes. So you have the normal 105 deep focus mode. So this is proven to reduce muscle pressure by 51%, which is great. The second recline angle being the solo work mode at 120 degrees. Third recline angle being the softer recline mode at 135 degrees. And lastly, but definitely not least, the last recline angle, which is spine flow mode at 160 degrees, which is practically laying flat at this point for maximum rest. The more you recline recline, the more the chair is going to actually compensate and adjust with you on the fly, which is a great little feature. I mean, this goes a long way. The maximum recline actually hits 160 degrees, which is pretty much a deep recline. It's almost you're fully laying down at this point. It's a full body decompression and a total reset. And this is great because it actually allows you to really like lay back and rest. And if you thought that wasn't enough, they also have their dedicated footrest that comes with 2 modules. You can have your normal usage for the bottom part, so this is when you're sitting down if you want to maximize your feet and everything to kind of have a nice clean ergonomic support. But it also has an elevated area where you can lay your feet. The upper area of the footrest is made of the same material and fabric as the seat part of the chair, giving you maximum comfort. So when you're laying down, it actually feels like you're taking a proper nap, which is great. If you want to take a second to reset, recompose, and just kind of take a break from your work, then you can do it. This chair is fully modular with multiple pieces, and it allows you to fully extend and take maximum advantage of it. Now, setting up the chair was also pretty much a breeze. It is extremely easy. Everything is pretty much built. You just have to kind of put it together. It's super straightforward. I think a toddler could put this chair together. That's how easy it is. So overall, in terms of pros and cons for the chair, I mean, it has a really long list of pros. It is a really comfortable chair. It has ergonomic lumbar support. It has the Omni stretch massaging feature, which is great for your lumbar on the long run. It has 4 recline angles that are carefully crafted for optimal comfort. It also comes in 3 different colors, with the latest release of their really cool moss green chair, which is sure to add a pop of color to any setup. Now, I do have to say that the only real downside of this chair is that it's quite on the expensive side of things. You have to look at it this way: if you're going to be sitting, if you're going to be working at your desk every single day for extended periods of time, then this is going to be an investment. Look at it this way: if you spend the money once and you spend it right, then you won't have to buy another product ever again. So it really is worth it. It's, you buy this thing once and then you're good to go. Now, overall, the LiberNovo Omni chair is probably my favorite, and not only my favorite, but the most beneficial chair I've had in a long time. This thing has completely changed the way I sit and work at my desk. It's completely changed my experience when it comes to ergonomic chairs. It's actually raised the bar so high for me that I'm really curious to see if there's going to be a chair that's going to top it, which I don't think is going to be anytime soon. Now, with that being said, I do want to give a big thank you to the team over at LiberNovo for sending this Omni ergonomic chair my way. I'll definitely have it linked in the description down below. If you guys have problems with your lower back, if you have problems, with sitting down, your work at office hours, I promise you, invest in the right chair. It is going to change your life. I've had this one for a short period of time and it's already made a huge difference. So imagine in a few months from now, I'm going to be reaping the rewards, and I want you guys to do as well. So click the link down below to get yours today. Once you guys get your hands on this chair, it is an absolute different level of comfort. Now, trust me when I say this, I am not overselling this. It is genuinely an amazing product. So with that said, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if it was of any help, a like and a sub is always helpful. I wish you guys the best of luck, and I hope to see you on the next video. Until then, deuces.